Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. With GameGuru Max being released later on this month in early access, I thought we could take a little look at the original GameGuru. You can currently pick up GameGuru for $14.99. It was released in 2015, making it 5 years old. If you're unsure what GameGuru actually is, it's a program that allows you to build your very own games with ease. There's a massive list of items that you can select and place. You can place weapons, swords, whatever you want. You can also build your very own buildings. You can place trees. And then once you have finished building your little game, you can then hit a play button and test your game. Once you are happy with your game, you can then go ahead and build the standalone of your game and share it with other people that can then play your game. As you can see, I am currently in GameGuru at the moment. This is what it looks like. At the moment, we are in a top-down view of the area which we are about to build a game on. We can always press F to toggle the view to more of a free flight view, as you can see here. On the left hand side, we have lots of different options. We have markers, which we can choose our player start. I'm just going to select that, and then let's just place our player start in that position there. We can scroll down and do player checkpoints. You have lots of different options. We can do sound zones, trigger zones, image zones, text zones. There are so many choices. We can go across to the builder, and we can then select add new site. We can then place this anywhere on our area. I'm just going to place it here. It's now preparing the structure editor, which is basically going to allow us to build a building in our game. If I move over, this is the area. Oh, if I just zoom out a little bit, there we go. Got a bit carried away there. As you can see, we have an area within this green square that we can build a building. We can select floors, walls, ceilings, stairs. We can select whatever we want. I'm going to go with floor, and I'm now going to select a texture on the right hand side. Let's just go with, I don't know, that'll do. And I'm now just going to hold down the left click mouse button and draw a lovely floor. There we go, that looks brilliant. I'm now going to select a wall, and I'm going to select a different colour just so we can tell it's a wall. And let's just go, oh, I need to go that way. It's been a very long time since I have actually used this. And let's go along like that. There we go, that looks very, very good. Cool, and let's just build a little bit of a wall that side. There we go. I'm not going for anything perfect. We're just basically having a little look to see if GameGuru is still good, like I said at the start. I'm now going to come off the building structure tool, and we're now going to place out a entity. We have lots of different items we can choose from. You can choose from barrels, boxes, bridges. We can choose anything. I'm actually going to go on to barrels, and let's just place out a random barrel. It says welded, that will do, and let's go OK. And we can now place out the barrel. We can then select that barrel again on the left hand side now. As you can see, it's on like our favourites, and we can just place out as many as we want. We can then go back and add another entity. This time I'm going to add a weapon, and let's just go ahead and add a sword and press OK, and I'm just going to place the sword there. We can then jump into our game and give it a test run by selecting this option here, and we have all the controls there on our screen. Also, the fantastic thing about GameGuru, you can actually do a lot of the scripting yourself as well if you want to change how things work within your game. Now that I've picked up the sword, I'm going to go over to this barrel and let's just give the barrel a hit. And as you can see, it's got a very basic little animation there, which is pretty cool. And here we have our walls and our floor, and you can see the sky up there. Overall, the game, the graphics, it doesn't look fantastic. It's nothing like the new games that you have. It's never going to beat game engines such as Unity, CryEngine or the Unreal Engine. If you did want to make a more advanced, better looking game, then you may want to look into those game engines. But this game engine really does make life a lot easier, just to make a really fast, quick, easy to play game. As you can see, that took me seconds to make. And there are so many cool things you can add to your game, as you can see here, which, to be fair, still in 2020, this is actually still really fun just to play around in. Whether it's worth the £14.99, that is your decision. You may want to look at a few more videos on YouTube and do a little bit more research into the engine. Like I said at the start of this video, GameGuru Max does come out into early access at the end of this month. So you may want to hold off and see how much it's going to be for the new game engine, but also when they release that one, you never know, this one may drop in price. The only thing you may want to be aware of when it comes to GameGuru, this engine is normally more based around a first-person shooter sort of game style. You wouldn't really see a racing game when it comes to GameGuru. And you are a bit limited to when it comes to the scripting as well. But like I said, if you put in the time and effort, you can still create quite a lot of cool games. And there surely is a lot of game examples you can play that have used GameGuru. I also forgot to mention, if you go onto Steam, there are lots of fantastic expansion packs you can add to your GameGuru. As you can see, there's one here for free, and it has lots of different items which you can add to your GameGuru. If we scroll down, you've got all sorts of things. You've got building packs, Cold War packs, medical packs. There's just so much more you can add to GameGuru. And that is it for this video. It was just a little video just to take a look at what GameGuru's like now in 2020. If this video did help, then hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.